You're constantly being asked to deliver big, impactful insights that move the needle, but you rely on inconsistent, incorrect, or missing product data, trying to fill in the gaps before the next big meeting. By the time you sift through mountains of data, trying to manually align and complete it yourself, your competitors have already moved ahead, making strategic decisions with clean, reliable product data. But what if you could transform this complexity into clarity? Introducing AI-powered automated attribution management from Harmonya. With Harmonia's attribution management platform, your product data is automatically aligned, validated, and complete. No more manual errors, no more wasted time. Our interactive platform learns and improves over time, giving you the power to own and trust your data so you can focus on what really matters, making strategic decisions with confidence. Harmonize your product data with AI. Grow your business with confidence. Get started with Harmonia's AI-powered attribution management platform today.